I'm going to show you how to set up teen stems. To get started, you're just going to pick a spot to start, and I'm going to start on the inner, and we're going to attach stems to the inner 2 bars and the outer 2 bars, but we're going to work on the inner first. So my place to start, I'm going to choose this crossbar here, and I'm going to wrap my stem around the both inner bars, pull my stems opposite each other, and give it a twist. Okay, I'm going to give it a couple of twists actually. Then I'm going to have a tape measure, or I have a tape measure rather, and I'm going to measure 4 inches from where I placed the last stem. And at that point, I will add another stem. So we're going to add them every 4 inches. So pull your stems opposite each other really tight and give it a twist or two. All right. So you take your tape measure, you measure over 4 inches. We're going to attach another. Pull your stems opposite each other. Whoops. Opposite each other really tightly. Give it a twist or two. All right, so we have this many on so far. I'm going to finish the inner circle, and when we come back, I will show you how to do the outer. I'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. And as you can see, I have completed the inner rung. So now we're going to work on the outer. And again, you're going to just pick a spot. There's 8 stems on the inner, there's going to be 10 on the outer. And at some point, there's going to be a couple that end up right on top of each other, and that's just how it works out, and that's okay. So to start, I usually pick one that's got a bar in the middle, and I start there. So I take my stem, and wrap it around the 2 outer bars this time, pull them opposite each other, and give them a good twist or 2. So my start mark, I split 2, had a bar, started my outer ring. And the same as the inner, we measure 4 inches, and we add a stem. Just tie it on tight. There we go. You measure another 4 inches. And give it a couple of good twists. Measure another 4 inches right here. Give it a twist. All right, I'm going to finish the outer ring this time, and when we come back, we'll have our completed work frame. I'll be right back. So I'm just finishing up my last tie, measuring 4 inches from where I put my last one, and putting it on the outer 2 rings of your frame. So here we go. We have a 14-inch wire frame with 18 stems placed 4 inches apart to create our own work frame.